Using the wrong size backer rod undermines joint performance and can turn a simple repair into a failure. A backer rod provides a consistent backing for sealant and controls sealant depth so it can cure correctly and flex as intended. Choose a rod diameter that compresses approximately 25% when inserted to maintain proper contact without stretching the sealant. If the joint is irregular, use 2 sizes layered or a smaller rod plus a foam strip to build a stable backing rather than forcing one oversized piece. For deep joints greater than 1/4 inch, use a backer rod that lets the sealant depth remain at the manufacturer recommended dimension to avoid 3-sided adhesion and premature failure. Cut the rod slightly longer than the joint and install it with a blunt tool at a steady angle so it seats evenly and does not twist or tear. When sealing, tool the sealant to remove air pockets against the rod and maintain a slightly concave profile for optimal movement accommodation. Common mistakes include choosing a rod that is too small so it floats up when sealant is applied and creates voids. Fix this by measuring the joint diameter and stepping up 1 size or using 2 layers to achieve the required compression. Another issue is selecting a rod that is too large, which can deform or widen the crack and make insertion impossible. Remedy this by trimming to the correct diameter or using heat gently to increase compressibility only when the material permits. A third problem is placing the rod too deep, so the sealant bond is only to the substrate on the bottom, which causes 3-sided adhesion and cracking. Solve this by setting the rod higher so the sealant contacts only 2 sides and follows recommended sealant depth rules. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and for contractors to find work tied to specific projects and material needs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences together.